This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
Inventor down the rabbit hole network here. I have made a little bit of adjustments to the Mylow motor design. Originally built by Howard Johnson is really where the schematic comes from, but this is Mylow's design, really with some tweaks. It's leveled. You can see there the bubble. Okay, so what I've done here is I've added 2 strong Neodymium circular magnets here, south facing up. South attracts north, south facing up on all 4 of these strong circular neos, and then the rest of these ceramics with little neos on top of them are north facing up, all of them all the way around. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how it operates. I'm calling this one the magnetic ocean wave because the only movement that needs to happen for it to continuously run is an up and down motion, which I figured is much easier to replicate by a machine. If you want to just put a machine that doesn't use much power to make it do this, a lot easier than making it do this. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this here. I got the stator here in my lab. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ceramic magnets and some neos on top. 2, 4, 6, 8 neos on top. But I mean, all humans are very intelligent. I'm sure you guys could come up with a very similar design. It doesn't have to be exact. Okay. Let me go ahead and set this up. Excuse me for the noise. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if I should continue the series. Okay. So what's going on is attraction, repulsion. Attraction, repulsion. You can call it an ocean wave effect, or kind of like riding a bike to the top of a mountain or the top of a hill here, and then you gotta go over this little hill. These 2 are hills. If you guys are following, these 2 are hills. These 4 are hills. 2 and 2, 4, sure, are hills that we need to get over, and I'm getting over that by going up and down like an ocean wave. Okay, so pay close attention. It's very leveled, as you can see. I'll take this off. Mind yourself, a tiny mechanism machine that can do the up and down motion, no way will that waste more energy than what is being produced if you hook this armature up to a magnetic generator like on the wind turbines. It'll just produce, right? The little up and down motion is not going to waste more energy than what it's producing. Okay, so the magnetic ocean wave just has to go up and down, ladies and gentlemen. Mylow was not crazy. He was very smart. Whatever you guys think this is fake, please leave my channel. There's nothing fake about it. It's very real. So technically, if you can add a little mechanism that will go up and down, you will get a machine that runs forever or until the magnetism leaves the magnets. If you do with your hand, you feel the very strong downhill motion of the hills or the ocean waves, whatever you want to call them, the 2 souths repelling, give a very strong push. I mean, they shove. But yeah, this will go forever. I'm getting a bit dizzy, but yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. It's a non-magnetic motor, but you do have to add a little bit of electricity. motion, sure. But yeah, this will go forever, ladies and gentlemen. I'm getting dizzy, but yes, it will continuously go and go and go and go and go. You feel such a strong repulsion on the south. If you time it perfectly, it starts to pick up speed. But obviously, I'm not a machine. I can't time it perfectly. I'm not an AI. But yeah, I got a strike for one of my curing cancer videos. That happens if you get too close. That's why you need stator support, as Mylow would say. There's a thrust bearing on the bottom if I didn't mention that. But yeah, guys, bring it to a stop. Stop. Over the hill, 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 over the hill. Yeah, I mean, this thing can just go forever. If you add stator support and a mechanism that goes up and down, which your machine can easily replicate. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Tell me if you want me to continue this series. And yeah, man, free energy is very possible. It's beyond question. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. I hope this young, people around the world watch this and build these type of things. I hope to influence people the way that John Bedini influenced me. Rest in peace, John Bedini. And also thank you, Mylow. You influenced me as well. Yeah, I mean, this thing will go forever. No need to keep making myself dizzy. That's it. Stator, armature. There's the design. You guys can have it for free. I'm not selling shit here. Like, comment, subscribe.